Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into AppClose app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The AppClose app is useful for co-parents who need a reliable way to manage schedule, share messages, track expenses, and keep a record of communication. It organizes everything in one place, which makes it easier to coordinate custody, handle reimbursement, and have documented proof if needed for legal purpose. The downside is that some users report bugs like message not downloading, calendar syncing issues, and occasional crashes. Talking about the notification aspect, the notification can also be unreliable and customer support isn't always responsive. So my opinion, I initially think the app is worth using if you need a clear documentation and coordination as a co-parent, but don't expect complete flawless experience from the app. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.